Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SAS easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the SAS login URL. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Once the page loads, locate the username field. Click on this field and enter your assigned username. Next, find the password field below it. Click on the password field and carefully enter your password. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. After confirming your credentials, find the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. Wait for the page to reload after the login attempt. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your SAS dashboard. In case of any error messages, reassess your username and password. If you forget your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on that link and follow the instructions provided. Once logged in, explore the various features available on your dashboard. This concludes the login process for SAS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.